Hey, how's it going, class? If you will, I just want to lead the way by example. I'm doing my workout tonight. In the interest of time, because I don't have much time to record, I'm just going to knock out about 3 of the exercises. I'm going to knock out the push-ups for you. I'm going to knock out the mountain climbers for you, as well as I'm going to knock out the jumping jacks for you as well. And I'm going to finish up, time pending, I'm going to finish up with something really awesome and work out on my bench a little bit and show you how I like to work out in the evenings. Okay, here we go. Give you a walkthrough real fast. This is my exercise room. I kind of purposely built this after retiring because I thought it was very, very important to stay in shape. So I got a couple things in here I like to work out with. There we go. We get the gist. That's better right there. Here we go. Full circle. I got treadmill in here. Like to go do my running if it's bad outside. Try to spin it around a little bit. Bench. Some other high-speed stuff I can work on. But bottom line, I like to work out, have fun. All right, here we go. Let's get started. I already done my workout as far as warm-ups are concerned. I'm ready to go. Ideally so. I just really think that I just want to make sure that you get a good stretch. I keep in mind my safety aspect. So I'm going to start out with my push-ups, okay? 2 sets. 2 sets of elevated push-ups. Okay? I'm using my high-speed bicycle over here. Put my feet up. Go all the way down to the ground, touch my chin. So here we go. Head up, down. It's real important to breathe, work on form. So that's 15 first. I'm going to count down from 10, 10-second break in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go to the second set. Feet back up and exercise. And 15, good deal. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work on the mountain climbers. 2 sets, 15 repetitions for mountain climbers, okay? Count down my 10, get a nice break in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What I'm doing is that I'm counting only on one leg, so I count the full repetition. So in essence, I'm doing 30 total for the set, and then I work out again, making sure that I do another 30, and I'll switch off on the other leg as well. So I make it fun for myself. Here we go, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. When I'm trying to concentrate on form, we'll come back up, get set for my jumping jacks, 50. Oh yeah, here we go. Count down from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. Good job with that. All right, ooh, feeling good. Nice and warmed up. Woo! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go. Last placement bonus. Place your here in front of the bench. Tilt down a little bit. Last thing to do, I'm gonna knock out a nice set. So usually I like to pick up a lot of steel. It's not enough from here right now. So I'm gonna go for the bonus set, super set, put a little bit more weight on you. All right, here we go. Bonus set. Knock it out. You won't be an airport paratrooper. You won't be all that. You got to be strong mentally and physically. There you go, class. Want to lead the way? This will make sure physical fitness is a great aspect of staying healthy, also being in tune with your mind, body, and soul. It's for me, physical fitness has been a large part of what I do. It really accents my job, career, and status as far as being able to be out there and mix it out with all types of personnel and have fun in the process, making all that for my job. Hey, I wish I'm leading the way for you. Take the best care. Looking forward to seeing your videos.